Avoid that awkward moment at the checkout line, and let's uncover how to check your Walmart gift card balance with ease. First, let's cover checking your balance online. Grab your Walmart gift card and head to Walmart.com on your computer or mobile device. Once you're on the website, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Look for a link labeled gift cards, typically found in the services or help section. Click on that. You'll find yourself on the Walmart gift card page here. Locate the check balance option. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it. Now, carefully enter your gift card number and the PIN located on the back of the card. You might need to scratch off a protective layer to reveal the PIN. Once you have both entered, click the check balance button. Your remaining balance will pop up. Prefer checking in store? No problem. Simply head to any Walmart register. A cashier can easily swipe your card and tell you the remaining balance. Some Walmart stores even have self-service kiosks where you can check yourself. Finally, for the phone option, you can call Walmart's customer service line. The number is usually found on the back of the gift card or on Walmart's website. Be prepared to provide your gift card number and PIN when prompted. A representative will then let you know your balance. Knowing your balance is now easy. Happy shopping!